Hi there, all our parents. This is a lesson on using a calendar, and this is a lesson for you as parents. So watch and listen carefully. When you do get calendar work on the homework sheet, you'll know exactly how to help them. When they do calendar work, they will need their new books with the small lines that we sent home. And then they will need the calendar and the questions that will be on the homework sheet. This is an example of a calendar that I have made, and I just want to run through it with you and sort of try and explain to you how we're going to teach them and what I do in class so that you can help them when you have to do the questions at home with them. We will look at the calendar, and I shall start at the top of the calendar with them, and I shall show them that it is the month of June and the year is 2020, and I shall point to it at the top of the calendar when I'm doing it in class with them. I shall typically have the same picture on the projector, and then I shall put my finger on the blue bar at the top, and I shall tell them that's where we look to see what month it is in. It will say June or the other months, whatever picture they have in front of them. And then the year will be next to it, which in this case is 2020, because we are in the year of 2020. Then right underneath that, they will have the days of the week. And on this one, it's very nice because each one is a different color. And I shall ask them to point to it. They will have it in front of them, and I will have mine on the projector, and they will point to the days of the week. And I shall start and say, put your finger on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And then I shall point out to them that the numbers on the calendar will tell us how many days there are in that month. And in this particular one, our numbers stop at 30, so we know that there are 30 days in that particular month. If they ask how many days there are in a week, I shall show them that we're going to see what is the biggest number in our calendar, or where does the number stop? And that will normally be 30 or 31. And then we know that's the amount of days that we have in that month. And in this case, it's the month of June. After that, I shall start teaching them how to use the calendar with all the information on it. And I normally start with the weather. So on this calendar, I have put some suns on and clouds, as well as one rainy picture. And then I shall tell them, right, let's see quickly our rainy picture. Where is that on the calendar? Let's see quickly where we will find that on the calendar. And they will go and put their finger on the rainy picture, and I shall tell them, right, let's see what number is next to our picture. Oh, it's a 4. So it's going to be the 4th of June, because we're in the month of June. But now we also need to know what day it's going to be. So they put their finger on the rainy picture, and then I teach them to slide their picture up to where the days of the week all are. And then they will see that their finger will land on Thursday. They slide it right up in the column or in the row. And then their finger will land on Thursday. So I will say the rainy day was on 4th of June, and it was a Thursday. Right, so now find the block that says cake sale. Then I shall show them on the projector, and they will find it on theirs. Oh, what was the date for the cake sale? Let's see, what's the number in that block? The number is 21, so it was the 21st of June, 2020. But oh dear, let's see quickly, what day was that? Let's go up with our finger. It was a Sunday that we had a cake sale. And I shall carry on like that, and later on we will ask as well, how many sunny days were there in the month? How many cloudy days were there in the month? When was it crazy hats? What day was it crazy shoes? What date? Was it a rainy day, or what date was it the cake sale? That sort of questions that you can ask with them. Basically, the whole idea of the calendar lesson is just to teach them where to look, where to find the month that we are in and the year that we are in. And after that, the days of the week at the top. And then for them to realize that they need to look for the number for the date, as well as slide their finger up to the day of the week for that particular number. And that's really it for our calendar work. I have included some questions that we would normally ask, or what we could ask in class with them or in assessments with them later on, of how to use the calendar. So you can run through these questions with them as a practice round, as well as our homework that we will send when we send our homework out weekly. And that is it from my side for the calendar lesson. Bye.